In every home, there is one thing that really takes care of your family's well-being by keeping them safe, healthy, and of course, happy. Do you know what it is? Yes, I'm talking about our household refrigerator. Choosing refrigerator for the family. Introducing the Haier HRB 738BG T-Door Triple Cooling Refrigerator. This Haier HRB 738BG is a T-Door refrigerator, meaning it has 4 doors that can be used in different types. The smart thing about this T-Door Triple Cooling Refrigerator is in the name itself, triple cooling. This means each compartment has its own cooling system, not centralized. This prevents the sharing of food smell and sometimes odor. It also has an ABT or antibacteria with sterilization up to 99.9%. Controlling the temperature of ref is so easy without opening its door, thanks to its exterior digital touch panel where you can control your refrigerator from the outside. This is also 25.2 cubic feet that is very ideal for a large family, built-in elegant black glass door. And oh, did I mention that this refrigerator is also an inverter refrigerator? Yes, you heard it right. So worry no more about high electricity bills. Level up your cooling and level up with Haier.